All right, this is another sum of interior angles problem. This time it's an octagon. It's a little bit more complicated. There's more sides. It's a little harder to visualize the shapes within the shape. I went ahead and created a table this time. This is another method that you can use for any number of sides, and it'll work beyond 8. In this case, we just need 8 for our octagon. So number of sides, a one-sided shape is not a shape, two-sided shape is not a shape. The first polygon that we have is a triangle and it has 3 sides, and the sum of those angles are 180. That is just something to commit to memory. And there's derivations of that. There's ways to show why that is. But for purposes of this problem, I would start by remembering that. A 4-sided shape, again, that's our rectangle or our square. And I'm actually just going to add on. In this case, it's more like a rhombus, our 4-sided shape. So there's our 4 sides. And it actually has 360 degrees. So 2 things. One, you could think about your rectangle that has 4 90-degree angles and add those up to get 360. Any 4-sided shape, though, you can see this is a 4-sided shape, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those aren't right angles, but those degrees are still going to add up to 360. The degrees of the interior angles, the measure of the interior angles. You can see that a 4-sided shape really can just be summed up by 2 triangles. All right, 5-sided shape. That is the pentagon that we did before. So I'm just going to add the hat on there. So now we have a 5-sided shape in total. And if you'll remember, that was 540, which was 360 plus 180. And again, you'll see in our picture over there that we just added a triangle on. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add, we can keep adding triangles. Each time the angle measure is going to go up by 180. So 180 plus 180 is 360. 360 plus 180 is 540, and so on. So for 6 sides, 540 plus 180. I'm just going to go ahead and do it for you. And is 720. 720 plus 180 for a 7-sided shape is 900. And for an 8-sided shape, 900 plus 180 is 1080, which is option C over there. Zero. All right, and you could actually derive a formula for that, but again, if you can remember that a triangle has 180 and then you just add 180 for every number of sides that there are, you'll be able to do it no matter what without memorizing a formula.